Please introduce yourself, Sharad.
Sir, hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Sharad Vinayak Nagre. Currently, I am working in a Bank of Maharashtra uh, in Asset Recovery Cell, Nasik Zone Office. Prior to that, I was posted in three rural assignments. Also one semi-urban assignment is there in my 3 year experience. I had completed my BE Information Technology from KK College of Engineering, which is belongs to Pune University. And in my family, we are 3 members: my father, my mother, and me. My father and mother both are doing farming.
How you classified your assets?
For as you are asking about NPA recovery or for credit monitoring purpose?
Classification of asset.
Classification of asset is in NPA. We can classify it as substandard asset and doubtful asset.
Okay, and what about loss assets?
Yes, in after the doubtful asset, there is a loss asset which is beyond 3 year or maximum period of NPA. It depends on bank. Bank can declare the loss asset.
Okay, fine. That as you working as a asset recovery cell.
Yes,
this customer has taken one KCC loan, and he become defaulted. Now he is not ready to repayment the loan.
Yes.
Don't want to even do the renewals of KCC. So
yes.
How and which tools you are going to use for this type of repayment?
Yes, definitely, sir. For agriculture loan, there is no SARFAESI action is applicable. So that's why we are insisted in for demand. We can also send them the demand notice of the loan, but unfortunately, our SARFAESI action not permitted over there. So in that case, if there is an income generation and if we have some proofs of income, at that time we insist to our head office for declare him as a willful defaulter also, and after that, if there is genuine problem of that particular farmer, at that time we can go it for OTS if our bank permit it.
Okay. So how basically Lok Adalat and civil court works?
Yes, sir. Basically, Lok Adalat and in civil court, there is a difference that in Lok Adalat, the cases up to 10 lakhs, it's taken, and if the cases are not settled in that, we can take these cases to civil court also. In Lok Adalat, there is a instant settlement of loans, but in civil court there is no instant settlement. It will take much more time.
Fine. Okay. What's your full name?
Sharad. Yes, my full name is Sharad Vinayak Nagre.
Okay. Sharad, as you belong from Nashik.
Yes, sir.
What kind of historical monuments, or is there any very famous temple or any tourist place in Nashik which you want to share with us?
Yes, sir. Nashik is a very famous city, and it's a holy city of which is well known for Kumbh Mela, which is held after every 12 years. Also, Nashik is also famous for wine. That almost 80 to 70 to 80% wine production is of total all over India is from Nashik. Nashik is having many government offices, like one of the important office is RBI.
Okay, fine. I think Bank of Maharashtra is the lead bank for the sponsored RRB.
Yes.
So, what basically the function of lead bank?
Sir, in Nashik district, we are also lead bank. So basically, the basic function of lead bank is to monitor, to also to take each and every details of other bank also, and cooperate with the other banks to the district office also, and to the RBI.
Why we organize BLBC meetings?
Can you repeat, sir?
Why we organize BLBC meetings?
Yes, sir, basically the purpose of BLBC meeting is to maintain the Right now, I am not able to recall it.
Okay, no issue, no issue. Suppose you are working in a branch in rural area and you want to lend to a SHG group. There are 9 female in a group of SHG.
Okay. Okay.
Will you be lending the group?
Yes, yes. We can lend to them also.
Is any minimum criteria or minimum female group member is required for making the SHG or running the SHG group?
The minimum criteria is that they have account with us, and another one is if they do not have any other loan which is not in a default, so they can easily apply and obtain the loan.
Okay. Sarath, I think you are having your interview in Mumbai.
Yes, yes, in Mumbai.
In Mumbai corporate office. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Sarath, tell me one more answer, that why there is a revolt by farmers against Krishi Bill.
I didn't get your question, sir. Why?
Why there is a agitation of farmers against Krishi Bill? So what basically Krishi Bill is? Agriculture law, farmer law.
Okay, current farmer law.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Actually, sir, the current farmer law, it has having some pros and cons also. It is, as per my knowledge, it is good and bad also, because it gives more profit and more benefit to big farmers, not smaller farmers. That's why they are struggling over there in Delhi from last 2.5 months.
Okay, fine. Okay, Sarad. मैं आपके मॉक को यहीं पे रोक that the answer given by you sounds very good. तो I think वो और भी अच्छा हो, कहते हैं ना सोने पे सुहागा, तो वो और भी अच्छा सुनने में लगेगा आपकी जो भी आंसर होगी. Otherwise, you are having the knowledge of your desk and overall good, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm from last 1.5 month only. I am posted in asset recovery sale. Prior to that, I am working with a branch in 3 branches within 3 years.
So I think, why didn't you include these things in your introduction?
Yes,
please include these things. You have worked in branch as a branch operation or service manager. You were looking after passing officer role, NEFT, RTGS, or even if you have great experience, please include. From last 2 months, you are in asset recovery sale. So if you are feeling like this, means एक पूरी बैंकिंग आपके अंदर समा जाती है, लेकिन आप डायरेक्ट बोलेंगे कि सर आई एम वर्किंग इन एसेट रिकवरी सेल, इसका मतलब होता है कि आप 3 साल से वही काम कर रहे हैं, तो फिर आप अपने आप को बांध रहे हैं. तो अपने आप को आप बांधे मत, खुला रखें कि सर मैंने ब्रांच में भी काम किया है, मैंने क्रेडिट में भी काम किया है, और अभी 2-3 महीने से मैं एसेट रिकवरी में हूँ. ये पूरी जो बैंकिंग है वो उसका 70% पोर्शन आप कवर कर रहे हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ एसेट रिकवरी आप बोलेंगे तो ये 10% ऑफ बैंकिंग ऑपरेशन में आता है. तो अपने आप को आप जंजीरों में मत बांधें, बिल्कुल आजाद रखें. जितना आप आजाद रखेंगे उतना उनके लिए अच्छा होगा कि ये इस बंदे के पास एक्सपीरियंस है, तो ये सीबीओ के लिए परफेक्ट है. अदरवाइज हम प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर एक फ्रेशर को लेते, करेक्ट. तो आपके एक्सपीरियंस को आपको शेयर करना, जितना आप ज्यादा आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सीबीओ.
Yes, yes. Sir, may I ask you one question?
Yes, please.
Sir, currently I am a Scale 2 officer from last 1 year, and maybe they are interrupted me regarding this, that you are Scale 2 and why you joined as a Scale 1.
To work you have.
Yes, yes. Prior to attend this interview, I already talked with one of my colleague. He's recently done with his interview, and he told me that the interviews is just a very formal way. They didn't ask any deep question, technical question to you also.
See, this might be or this may not be. They may be asked you the several questions related to this. They may not be asked you the question related to this. So what they are going to do, it is not compulsory that what the question they ask from your friend, the similar question is asked from you, right? तो उनके बेसिस पे आप ये नहीं कर सकते किस टाइप से क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे जाएंगे. हर एक दिन पैनल चेंज होता है, और पर्सन टू पर्सन क्वेश्चन वेरी करेंगे, राइट. इंटरव्यूअर एंड इंटरव्यूअर के आधार पे क्वेश्चन वेरी करेगा. तो किसी एक बंदे से क्या पूछा गया है उसके बेसिस पे आप अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करके नहीं जा सकते हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन हमसे पूछे जाएंगे। सो ओवरऑल आपको तैयार होकर जाना है। पूछा गया वेल एंड गुड, नहीं पूछा गया और भी वेल एंड गुड।
Sure, sir.
लेकिन
Definitely.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
Okay.
ज्वाइनिंग
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, and thanks for allowing me after delayed.
Yes, no issue. Okay, all the best, sir.
Thank you, sir.